Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is communication within a company, the minutes of meeting. The reporters are John Edward Cayetano and myself. The objectives are define the minutes of meeting, know the parts of a minutes, and lastly, create a minutes of meeting. We will have a pre-activity and I want you to write the answers in a one-fourth sheet of paper. So here are the following pre-activities which are three item jumbled letters. What is minutes? It is the official written records of a meeting's proceedings, which aids in refreshing memories of participants, gives information to individuals who were not present, and help prepare members for upcoming meetings. So, ito yung mga summary ng pinagmitingan. Kasi kung papanood tayo ng kunwari ng 2 hour video na ni-record sa meeting, eh nakakatamad. Dapat meron tayong minutes of meeting para naka-summarize na, naka-detail na lang, babasahin na lang, mabilisan kahit yung mga wala doon ay pwede nilang basahin na lang yung minutes of meeting para malaman kung ano nga ba yung pinag-usapan kahit wala sila doon, eh meron silang maiaano sa kanilang meron silang magiging idea na kanilang pagbabasehan upang maging prepare sila sa mga next na meeting para hindi sila ma-lost sa track. Robert's new rule of order. Henry Martin Robert worked in the army. One day, he was tasked to be a presiding officer or yung leader for an important meeting in his community. Because he realized he had no knowledge of presiding over a meeting, he knew he would be embarrassed, yet he did his best to preside over a meeting. Ang punto rito ay si Henry Martin Robert raw ay walang ka-idea kung paano mag-lead ng isang meeting sa komunidad, pero ginawa niya ang kanyang best para ito ay mai-present ng maayos ang pag-lead ng isang meeting. Due to the nature of his job, he was exposed to different parliamentary chaos across the US. Those experiences inspired him to study parliamentary books and eventually create a rule book for parliamentary procedure. He then decided to name the book Robert's Rule of Order dahil daw dun sa mga gulo sa parliamentary sa United States ay yun ang nagpa-inspire sa kanya kasi paulit-ulit niya daw nakikita yung mga gulo sa mga parliamentary. Dahil doon ay pinagbasehan niya yun, inalis niya yung mga mali doon tapos gumawa siya ng sarili niyang rule book na naglalaman kung paano nga ba ang tamang procedure ng isang parliamentary upang iwas na sa gulo. Parts of a minutes. Number one, committee or organizational name, yung pangalan ng inyong organization or committee. Tinagalog ko lang. Number two, kind of meeting. Anong klaseng meeting ba ang inyong ginawa? Anong type? Ito ba ay regular board meeting, annual, housing committee, or isang special meeting? Number three, date, location, and time of beginning and adjournment. So, it answers the question when and where. Dito sa date kung anong araw and anong taon. Dito sa location kung saan kayo nag-meeting. At dito sa time kung kailan kayo nagsimula at nagtapos noong meeting. Yung it should be kunwari 8 a.m. nagtapos 4 p.m. Ganon. Uh, Number four, names of the chair and secretary of their substitutes. Number five, names of all present members, kung sino yung mga nag-attend doon sa meeting. Kailangan siyang isulat sa minutes of meeting. Number six, names of guests and their role in the meeting. 'Pag sinabing guest, sila yung hindi mga miyembro sa isang organization. Sila ay outsider, mga tagalabas. Kunwari yung, CEO ng isang car company na hindi naman taga sa inyo ay pumunta doon sa organization niyo para makisali doon sa meeting, that is considered a guest. Number 7, reference to approval of last meeting's minutes. So ito ay importante kasi bago ma-approve yung meeting minutes nyo is kailangan approve muna yung previous na minutes of meeting para masabing may integridad yung gagawin yung bagong minutes of meeting, because yung current meeting minutes nyo is may connection doon sa previous one. Motions raised. Motions must be written as stated, including the member who raised the motion and the vote's outcome. So, dito ay yung mga motions na iminungkahi ng isang membro na kunwari, may gusto siyang i-modify or idagdag sa organization, kailangan yung isulat sa minutes of meeting. Pati na rin yung pangalan ng nag-raise at yung mga votes outcome, pati na rin yung mga pangalan ng nagboto ay kailangang isulat, at of course yung outcome. Number 9, reports. Record the name of the report, the name of the member presenting it, and any action taken on the report. Mostly 'pag nagre-report ang, isa sa mga kumpanya is naka-PowerPoint presentation, pinapa-visualize kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin, yung mga kung ano nang nangyayari sa organization, yung mga chart, yun ay report, and need din yun isulat sa minutes. Number 10, other special concerns from committees or individual members, kung may iba pa silang mga concern, mga problema. Sa number 11, the signature of the secretary upon the approval of the minutes. So, yung ano daw, yung signature ng secretary ay dapat nandoon sa minutes of meeting, and it is in the last part nandun siya sa baba ng minutes of meeting, yung format.
Good day po. Next is how to write a minutes of meeting. First, prepare a template before the meeting. To ensure you're prepared for the meeting, create a template or an outline with the necessary information filled out directly before the meeting is to occur. Second is take notes during the meeting. Record the names of participants who provide reports or presentation and summarize their contents. You can also note any assignments, update, or new projects that manager assigned to the employees. Include the name of the project or assignment along with its details and due date. Third, review your notes to make sure that you didn't miss any important information and to determine if there's anything that might be useful for you to add. And last, create a final draft. As soon as you finish writing your notes, type them into paragraphs while you still remember them clearly. Write a separate paragraph for each decision or action from the meeting and emphasize what the meeting accomplished. And keep your meeting minutes in the same present tense throughout the entire document. Here are the example of minutes. Let's identify the parts of minutes. First part, committee or organizational name is yung Baguio City Association of Writers Incorporation. And second part, kind of meeting. Ito po yung second officers meeting. And third, date, location, and time, which is yung Heritage Conference Hall, February 14, 2018, 1 to 5 p.m. And names of chair and secretary. Ito po yung nasa call to order. And panglimang part and pang-anim na part is yung names of all presents and names of guests. Ito po yung nasa roll call and determination of quorum. Andito po yung presents and yung guest and also yung mga absents. And yung sa pangpitong part, reference to approval of last meeting's minutes. Ito po yung the minutes of the January 15, 2018 meeting were approved with one correction. And yung pang walo po, motion raised, wala pong specific na sabi sa example. Kaya next po is yung pang siyam na part is yung reports. Ito po yung scholarship awards report presented by Secretary Anna Lee. And yung pang sampu, other special concerns from committees or individual members. Ito po yung nasa new business. And yung and the last, the signature of secretary upon the approval of the minutes. Ito po yung nasa pinaka-last, nasa pinakababa na dapat may signature. Ayan po. Sunod po ay itong what should be excluded in the minutes. First, condemnation or honors. Criticism of members should not be recorded unless it takes the form of an official motion. Expression of gratitude should only be included with the permission of participants. Next po is discussion. Whatever statement was given by the members must be recorded objectively. Third, extended repeating of reports. Just hit the high points or key facts, mostly if there is an attachment of a written report. And last, opinions or judgments. Next is who should write the minutes. The person who takes the minutes is usually a member of organization or institution and take note of the meeting proceeding while taking part in the conference, assembly, session, or discussions. In a government or legal meetings, an outsider must be note taker or recorder to avoid biases and maintain impartiality.